kulena ke yemdivorce yini eniyenithi niyayiphakamisa kumuntu maybe njengamanje who's going through a divorce yini eneni advise abantu?
I always say to abantu besifazane ukuthi mawuthi going through a divorce fanele uthole even a psychological support, meaning that seek counseling. If ubona ukuthi you are overwhelmed and awunayo abantu ongaxoxa nabo, at least go to a therapy ukuze ukwazi ukuthi uthole enough support, ngoba nasekhaya kumele ube nayo umuntu ohambisana naye uma wenza divorce, because iya overwhelm ukuthi umuntu ubukade umthanda usuyahlukana naye and fanele ucabanga ukuthi yini manje ozoyenza because benikade nibambisene, especially kwi situations where kunabantwana between abantu ebebehlukana. I render a pro bono service where sikhanselishe abantwana bama divorcing parents and izinto esiye sizinotice ukuthi nabantwana ningaba neglect nabo bayasafarisha mentally, especially nasesikolweni they don't perform well, but baye bafunda isimo bazama ukusupport umzali and try to pretend as if ba right, but later on abantwana baya affecteka. So kubalekile ukuthi ningumndeni nonke go for counseling ukuze nikwazi ukuba right nize niyoqeda, because the divorce is lengthy as well.
Absolutely.